Welcome to our journey through the first 3 chapters of the Book of Daniel, a captivating tale filled with intrigue, faith, and divine wisdom. If you think you know ancient stories, think again. This saga begins with young Daniel whisked away from Jerusalem to serve in the royal court of Babylon under King Nebuchadnezzar. Imagine being immersed in a world where your beliefs are challenged at every turn.
Daniel refuses the royal food and wine, choosing instead to honor the dietary laws of his faith. His faith pays off. He and his friends, Hananiah, Mishael, and Azariah, are healthier and wiser than all others. This story teaches us about the power of conviction and faith. Now let's step into chapter 2.
Nebuchadnezzar is plagued by a mysterious dream, one so troubling that he demands not only its interpretation, but also its content without revealing it. The penalty for failure: death.
None could accomplish this impossible task, except for Daniel, who, with divine insight, reveals and interprets a statue dream signifying kingdoms to come, with a stone not cut by human hands destined to crush these kingdoms. Here, Daniel 2:47 is key, where the king acknowledges, "Truly, your God is the God of gods and the Lord of kings." The drama escalates in chapter 3. Nebuchadnezzar erects a massive golden image, demanding all to worship it or face a fiery furnace.
Our heroes, renamed Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, stand firm, refusing to bow.
Their refusal leads to their miraculous survival in the fiery furnace, with a mysterious fourth figure appearing alongside them. Key here is Daniel 3:25, where Nebuchadnezzar exclaims, "Look, I see 4 men loose, walking in the midst of the fire."
These chapters vividly highlight the themes of divine intervention, loyalty to faith, and the unwavering spirit of those who remain true to their beliefs in the face of extreme adversity. They invite us to reflect on our own courage and convictions, leaving us curious about what else lies ahead in Daniel's extraordinary journey.
So stay with us as we continue to uncover more of these timeless lessons from the Book of Daniel.